Hey all, Steve from GuitarNiche here. Well, what we have on the bench is a lovely 69 Gibson SG. Look at that bad boy. Not too shabby, huh? Oui, oui. These are very nice. Okay, so what are we doing? Well, this particular instrument is just in for a real simple repair in that the bar goes limp. See, you move it a couple times and it loosens up to the point where it's floppy. Nobody wants a limp bar, right? Anyway, it's a really simple mechanical problem. The issue is keeping this bolt from loosening up. It's really as simple as that. So, what are our options? I have Loctite. Yes, Loctite. No, because I don't like the blue. It's nasty, and if it winds up where it's not supposed to be, not a fan. I have clear nail polish. Now that will work. Any other, the Loctite will work if you're careful and you do it properly, so to speak. It'll work just fine. But my weapon of choice is going to be handy dandy CA glue. Just regular old CA Razy glue. And the process will be pretty simple. I'm going to just set this so that I have what I think is a reasonable amount of friction. And I'm simply doing that by holding or keeping the retainer bolt from moving. That sweet spot where it moves freely but it doesn't stick too much. And now the magic, which is trying to get this organized. Okay, I got a backstop here thanks to Silversmith Brewery in Niagara. Awesome people, awesome products. Gotta love it. Okay, been a fan for many years. Anyhow, so we have to get the glue where it's gonna go. And this is very much a semi-permanent sort of fix. Here, let's get a little bit more better light on that so I can see what I'm doing. Very carefully here. Okay, so this is just in case there's an issue of some kind. We don't want things running away, and because thin crazy glue likes to go wherever it has a surface. And that can be from, you can get it to go from here to China if you really want to. But the trick here is I'm just simply going to apply it in a very small dose, teeny tiny drop, using a guitar string. Ooh, that's just perfect. Now if I can get that to drop in there. There's two spots. That's one. I hit the edge there, but that'll be fine. And then one on the very underside, because the screw is proud against the back. There we go. In other words, it protrudes past the outside, or the bottom of the plate, I should say. Let's keep that. And we'll give that just a quick torque to make sure that it's all good. It will take a second to really harden up properly. Oh, that's great. Okay, we'll give that a A couple seconds to solidify properly. It really doesn't take very long at all. Seconds. And we'll move the laser beam out of the way. Super duper. Capping off the crazy glue while that sets up. Here's an interesting factoid. I believe CA glue was produced way back during the Vietnam War era, and it was used to quickly seal wounds and stuff in the field. And it didn't really hit the public market until a couple decades later, and we saw some wonderful promos or commercials for it. Guy hanging with a, from a hard hat that was stuck with a single drop from an I-beam. And ever since then, it's been penetrating all sorts of different applications, useful stuff. So, is this going to do the job? By golly, look at that. And the thing is, that seal will break very conveniently. It'll hold, because we have the nylon washers here, it'll hold just fine. Those nylon washers will provide just enough friction for this thing to move around without any real issue. But if you want to take it out, crack, and it'll come out no problem. So we got around the potential cosmetic mess of Loctite, which will work, of course. The nail polish, which will work, of course, but it takes a while to set up and stuff like that, and it can be a little messy depending on the viscosity. But good old crazy glue to the rescue. Look at that. That's just dandy. And I could crack that and it would come out no problem. And there'd be like no cleanup. Anyway, as always, like and subscribe. Play loud, have fun, have a great day. Read the description below for some free resources, all good stuff, okay? And again, cheers, see ya.